there, Laura here. Today I have got friend mail. So Kaile, Wesley and I decided that we wanted to do a little makeup swap. So we sent each other boxes and I got mine today, which I can't believe because it got here so quickly. So here's my box. Let's open it. I haven't opened it yet. I've undone the tape but I haven't opened it, so I have no idea what's in here. Yeah, she sent me some earrings. I'm not wearing any earrings. She sent me 2 pairs of earrings. Those are cute. Oh, she sent me 3 pairs of earrings. They look great, Kaile. Very bright. Yeah, let me just open it here. That is cute. And yellow. Love yellow. I haven't got any rings, so that's lucky. Let's try the other one, another one on, just to see what it looks like. Should little black ones. So that's what they look like. They're very lovely. Thank you, Kaile. Now, she's put in a card. Oh, that's very sweet. Thank you, Kaile. She's put in a card with the Texas bluebells on it. Now, I didn't put in a card. I just put little notes on everything that I sent. So that's very pretty. And I wish you could have come with the box too, Kaile, because that would have been great. Oh, look. Kaile, you've been painting. That's so sweet. Put that where I can see it, but you guys won't be able to see it because I haven't got anything behind me to anything up on. Oh my god, there's more earrings. Oh, purple ones. And more earrings. Oh, rainbow ones. And so we've got a BH Cosmetics Duolight Highlighter 9 colour palette. Look. Beautiful colours. Oh, this orangey one looks nice. That's pretty. I haven't got a highlighter that type of colour at all in my collection. Oh, bright purpley one. Look at that one. Pretty. Ooh. I can see me having lots of fun with this, Kaile. Or a darker purple one. I can see me using that lots. Oh, and another pair of earrings. I'm going to have trouble deciding which pair of earrings to wear. Oh, hang on. There's more earrings. and more earrings. Really, so many earrings. And a Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturising Lotion. Little sample. Cool, thank you. And, oh my god, look. The Tribe by Juvia. Look. Kaile. This is not you. This is brand new. Hang on, I need something to cut it with. Now, I'm sure you have all seen this palette before, but I haven't got it, and I haven't got anything from Julia's place. So, look. Kaile, you spoiled me so much. Look at that. That is so beautiful. I'm going to have to use that. I haven't put any makeup on so that I could have a play with anything that you sent me. Wow, it looks way prettier in person than it does when you see it online. And the last thing in the box is something that I'm going to send back to her, because she saw my video where I was saying, it was that romance makeup tag where I was saying I would never buy a Pat McGrath palette, but I'd like to try the formula. So she has sent me hers to try, and then I'll send it back to her. So it's very sweet of her to do that. So here's what this one looks like. Ooh, can't get the plastic off. The name's on it. Here's what it looks like. So I'm really curious to see if this formula is like any better than what I already have that doesn't cost that amount of money. And we're going to do a look together with that as well. So thank you, Kaile. You are so sweet. And I'm going to play with this right now. I should probably put some earrings on that suit the palette. So I decided to put these ones on because they had green and yellowy orange in them. And I'm going to have a play with this palette because who can resist those beautiful colours? And as I said, it looks way prettier in person than it does even on screen. Just beautiful. So, what shall I start with? I think I'm going to start with some orange. So I'm going to use this colour here. Green and orange are so me. That's a really pretty orange too. You spoiled me, Kaile. This was so fun too. Trying to figure out what to get you and going around having a look and thinking about it and thinking what you would like. It was fun. They're a pretty colour. I'm going to go in with this colour here down the bottom. Oh, such beautiful oranges. And then I'm going to go into this one in the middle, which looks like a brown, but not when you swatch it. It's a goldy orange. It's quite surprising. Doesn't look anything like it does in the pan. It's so pretty. I love it, Kaile. Absolutely love it. It's gorgeous. I could see the oranges being something that I will love in the spring and the autumn. And I love wearing green in the spring and the autumn too. And that tealy colour in that I can see me using in the summer. Look at those, those are so pretty. And it's even more pretty because a friend bought it for me. Makes it even more special. I'm going to go in with this dark matte green. Need to wash my brushes. It's Saturday and I usually wash them on a Sunday, so I have lots of dirty brushes. Just wiping it on my colour switch to make sure I don't have any colour that I don't want on there. I'm going to go into the brown here. Then I'm going to go back into that matte orange. I'm going to go into this gold colour. Put a little bit of that in the inner corner. That's pretty too. A little bit of that on my brow bone. So far all the colours are really pretty. I'm going to buff that out so it blends in with that orange a bit more. And then I'm going to go in with a green pencil. I'll just move your beautiful painting of sunflowers. Love sunflowers. So I can get my eyeliner. I'll use this one. Which is the LA Girl Glide On in Limelight. And then I'm going to go in with the dark green. Well, not the dark green, the medium green. One that kind of matches the liner. And then I'm going to go into the limey green here. Just wipe off my brush. It looks almost yellow compared to that other green. But if I put this next to yellow, it wouldn't look yellow. So I used every colour except this one so far, and all of them are beautiful. So I'm going to do the rest of my face and then come back and play with the highlighter palette. So there I have done my base makeup. And I forgot to hit record, unfortunately. What I did was I used some of this colour here, this orange colour, as my blush. And then I used this colour here, top it off, as my highlight. And right in the middle of my eyes, I went back to the Juvia palette and got a little bit of this one and stuck that right in the middle just to pop a bit of extra light in there. And then I sprayed my face. Now I'm going to put my mascara on, and I will be back just to do my lipstick and probably just to pop more highlight, because I can't resist to pop more highlight. So I did my little sample pack of the Pale Coral lipstick in Nude by Nature with a little bit of my Chi Midas touch on top. Now I'm going to go back into the highlighter palette, and I think I'm going to go in with Double Trouble here. That's very gold. And I think I might go into Top Secret as well, because I just want to brighten that up a little bit. And I'm going to get my powder brush and buff that out because it went a bit crazy. Because they're very shiny highlights. And there is my look using the things that Kaile Wesley sent me as a friend gift. As friend mail? I don't know what we're calling this. Friend mail makeup swap. And thank you very much, Kaile. I thoroughly enjoyed it, and I know I'm going to get lots of use out of this, and get lots of use out of this. And I will do another video later and use the Pat McGrath palette and then send it back to you. And this was really fun, and I hope you enjoy the things that I sent you. And I will see you next time. So thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.